Hello friends, you have seen in my earlier videos that how to create the log analytics workspace for Microsoft Sentinel. So in this video I will show you how to add the data connector. So I am going to add the Microsoft Defender for Cloud data connector in my Microsoft Sentinel workspace. So as you can see that I am already in my Microsoft Sentinel page, and from there I am going to click on the workspace that I have created in my earlier videos. So once I click on the workspace, you can see that on the left hand side pane under the configuration category, data connectors blade will be there. So click on the data connectors blade and you will see that the 128 connectors are actually present now in Microsoft Azure. So here what I will do, I will type Defender. You will be seeing that Microsoft Defender for Cloud, this data connector that we are going to add will be displayed. Select the data connector and on the right hand side of this window, this pane will be visible, and from this pane click on Open Connector page. In the Open Connector page you will see that under Instruction tab you will see the prerequisite, configuration and all this thing. So under configuration you can select the subscription. Our subscription is pay as you go, and the status is disconnected currently, and bidirectional sync is disabled, and Microsoft Defender plans some are enabled. So go ahead and click on the connect button. Here the message will be displayed like, note that only subscription you have select security reader permission on will start streaming Microsoft Defender for Cloud alert, one subscription. So click on OK. So after that the status is connected, and here what you can do is you can click on enable button. So here you can see that create incidents recommended, create incidents automatically from all alerts generated in this connected service. So click on enable. So let's see what happens. So here you can see that Microsoft incident creation rule, Microsoft incident creation rule added successfully. So close this one and go to next step. Here you can see that query samples 2, all logs summarized by severity. These are all already populated, pre-populated query already written. So now close this one and close this one and go to Microsoft Sentinel page and go to data connectors. Here you can see that one data connector is added. So now you have understood that how to add the data connector for streaming into our Microsoft Sentinel. I hope this video is useful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you for watching.